Today, we're not just exploring, we're exploding the frontiers of halal business. Forget the been there, done that ideas. We're diving deep into 10 untapped, groundbreaking concepts that'll have you shouting Eureka before this video ends. The halal market is a behemoth, folks. Over $4 trillion strong and projected to reach a staggering $7 trillion by 2027. That's not just potential, that's a gold rush waiting to happen. But here's the secret sauce. Most entrepreneurs are still scrambling for breadcrumbs while ignoring the juicy steaks right under their noses. Forget the saturated coffee shops and clothing stores. We're talking disruptive innovation, niche brilliance, and side hustles so smart, they'll print money while you sleep. And the best part? Most of these ideas require minimal investment, just a fire in your belly and a laptop on your desk. So, buckle up, entrepreneurs. This is your roadmap to becoming the next halal business mogul. Grab your notebooks, because by the end of this video, you'll have a mind-blowing arsenal of ideas ready to launch. But wait, there's more. Stick around till the very end, because I've got a secret bonus tip so juicy, it'll have investors knocking down your door. Idea number 1, the halal cleaning concierge. Let's face it, who enjoys scrubbing floors after a long day? Enter the halal cleaning concierge. Cater to busy Muslim families who value cleanliness and ethical practices. Offer eco-friendly cleaning products, flexible scheduling, and competitive rates. Startup cost, minimal. Just some marketing materials and a can-do attitude. Idea number 2, the AI whisperer. AI is the future, and the Muslim community needs a bridge to this brave new world. Become the AI whisperer, helping businesses navigate ethical AI implementation, ensuring compliance with Islamic values. Brush up on AI basics, network with tech companies, and voila, you're a trusted advisor in a high-demand field. Startup cost, your brainpower, and some online courses. Before we move on, check out the links in the description below. You'll find resources on AI, cleaning business tips, and halal marketing strategies. Don't let valuable information slip through your fingers. Idea number 3, the halal recruitment rockstar. Connecting talented Muslims with ethical employers is a noble and lucrative venture. Start a halal recruitment agency focusing on industries aligned with Islamic values. Build a strong network, conduct thorough candidate screening, and emphasize ethical recruitment practices. Startup cost, building relationships and a stellar reputation. Idea number 4, the halal meal prep maestro. Busy families crave delicious, halal meals without the hassle. Become the halal meal prep maestro, offering healthy, pre-portioned meals based on dietary restrictions and Islamic principles. Partner with local halal grocers, leverage social media marketing, and watch your business flourish. Startup cost, culinary skills, good packaging, and a dash of marketing magic. Idea number 5, the ethical travel guru. Traveling as a Muslim can be tricky. Enter the ethical travel guru. Plan halal-friendly itineraries, curate experiences that respect local cultures, and ensure spiritual fulfillment. Build partnerships with travel agents, focus on niche destinations, and become the go-to guide for conscious Muslim travelers. Startup cost, travel expertise, cultural sensitivity, and a passion for exploration. Now, let's dive into some non-traditional niches, where your creativity can truly shine. Idea number 6, the halal tech whisperer. Muslim techpreneurs need a voice. Become the halal tech whisperer, connecting tech startups with investors who share their values. Develop expertise in halal finance, build relationships with ethical investors, and bridge the gap between innovation and Islamic principles. Startup cost, deep knowledge of the halal tech space, and strong networking skills. Idea number 7, the Muslim mental wellness advocate. Mental health awareness is crucial, and the Muslim community needs support. Become the Muslim mental wellness advocate, offering culturally sensitive therapy, organizing workshops, and building a safe space for open dialogue. Partner with mental health organizations, leverage social media outreach, and become a beacon of hope for those struggling. Startup cost, strong empathy, relevant certifications, and a passion for well-being. Idea number 8, the Edutainment alchemist. Learning can be fun, especially when it aligns with faith. Become the Edutainment alchemist, creating engaging educational content for Muslim children. Develop apps, produce animated videos, or write interactive stories that teach Islamic values in a child-friendly way. Partner with educational platforms, collaborate with creative Muslim artists, and let your imagination run wild. Startup cost, creativity, knowledge of child development, and a playful spirit. Idea number 9, the sustainable style maven. Ethical fashion is booming, and Muslims are a key demographic. Become the sustainable style maven, curating and designing eco-friendly, modest clothing that aligns with Islamic principles. Partner with sustainable brands, leverage social media marketing, and champion conscious fashion choices. Startup cost: an eye for style, knowledge of sustainable fabrics, and a passion for the environment. Remember, with each of these ideas, the key is to do your research, network like crazy, and inject your unique personality into your venture. Starting a business can be daunting, but fear shouldn't hold you back. Remember, the greatest journeys begin with a single step. Take that step, embrace the challenges, and trust in your ability to make a difference. Remember, you're not just building a business, you're building a legacy of halal innovation, of ethical progress, of making the world a better place, one spark at a time. So, are you ready to ignite your halal business journey? Share your ideas, your questions, your dreams in the comments below. Let's build a community of halalpreneurs who support, inspire, and lift each other up. This is just the beginning. The halal market is brimming with potential, and you, my friend, hold the key to unlocking it. Take the leap, unleash your spark, and become the halalpreneur you were meant to be. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you in the next video, where we'll dive even deeper into the world of halal business.